So these are homegrown taro, that is Suran. So size is very small. Okay, and I have boiled it in a pressure cooker for 20 minutes on low flame with whistle. But you have to cook this for 20 minutes more also. And now what I will do, I will try and cut this and then apply some tamarind and kokum and keep. Okay, I'll show you all. So I don't know, like we had planted potato and we had brought the mud also purchased that time. So when we went to see our potatoes, it's a story, and we got this after 2 years, but in that mud it was very dirty, it was, but we washed it thoroughly. Then we're planning. So I've taken little bit of tamarind and little bit of kokum, that is solla, goenchi solla, and I will soak this and then I will apply to this, and this is like quarter kg in total. Okay, so I have cut this way. Now we will add salt and all. So I will apply turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1/4 teaspoon, cumin powder 1/4 teaspoon, and salt to taste. Salt to taste. And we'll add this, and chili powder also we'll add, because that will give a nice flavor for our. So red Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon, and we'll marinate this. So I'm taking this much to marinate all this and leave it for around 15 minutes. Then we'll make tadka. We'll give tadka for this of jeera, mustard seeds, thoda hing, little bit of hing and all, and then you see how it is. Onion also, little bit of tomato and green chili. Okay, so let it be like this now. Now let's make our suran. So going to suran Korea आणि ताका लागून हांवें हे 2 धाकटे कांदे घेतल्या. So I've taken 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 2 green chilies, 5 flakes of garlic, 2 tablespoons of coconut, grated coconut. Then I will be using our Goan Chakoti masala around 1 teaspoon, and other masalas will be chili powder, red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder if it is needed, but red chili powder will be Kashmiri chili powder because we have already applied all the masala for that and kept. Okay, so now let's put oil. I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and we will add our mustard seeds and all to this. सुरण जावन आसा एकदम बरें हेल्थाक लागून, so you can always try and make. So 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Okay, now we will add our garlic, chilies, onion, and fry this very nicely. तो बरे भाजून घ्या ते सगळे तेज्या उपरांत आमी टामोट घालुया. व्हेरी इजी. जरी तर तुमी हे मॅरिनेट बा करून दवरीत जाल्यार गोड कोणाक इल्लेशें उडोवंक जाय जाल्यार उडोवं येता, कोडूक आसा जाल्यार. ओके, सो हें भाजलें. आमचो दिमपाचो भत जाला जेवणाचो. आनी आयज आमची ही भाजी. सो नाव आमी आमचें हें खावया, टमाटा घालुया. खायात जाता तितलें. सिजनल भाजी मेवता जाल्यार सोडी नाका. सो आतां हितून आमी आमचो सुरण घालुया आनी ताका कांदे आनी टमाटाच्या बरोबर बरो भाजून घेवया. एकामेकाचे फ्लेवर असो न्ही, सोल्लाचे, आमटाणीचे, सगळ्याचे फ्लेवर आहाय ते. आमची सोय घालुया. आतां पयली मागीर थोडी हळदीचो पिठो आनी मिरसांगेचो पिठो. हळदीचो पिठो 1/4 टीस्पून आनी मिरसांगेचो पिठो 1/2 टीस्पून. कित्याक ऑलरेडी आमी ताका मॅरिनेट करता पळय तेन्ना आमी लावन घेतलेलें, ताका लागून. आनी आमचो इल्लोसो मसालो घालुया. सो हेका आमी 1/2 टीस्पून आमचो गोवन शाकोती मसाला पावडर. So we'll add little bit of water in this, very little, so that onion, tomatoes get little bit nicely cooked. So that same water we can use what we had marinated. Okay, done. We'll mix and we'll leave this for 10 minutes so onion, tomatoes get nicely cooked with this vegetable. Check the salt and add accordingly. Spiciness, it's up to you. Want less spicy, more spicy, it's totally on you. You need salt. We'll add our coconut again on top and cover this. And here it is, our Goan Suran, that is taro veg, is ready. Yummy, healthy, delicious. Try this and enjoy. See, it is cooked, nicely cooked. So hope you all will enjoy this and make this recipe. And if anybody wants to add additional the jaggery, that is gourd, or if anybody wants to add sugar, you can. It depends how you want. You can add 1 small teaspoon if you want. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं. मानता तुमकां ही सगल्यांक आवडटली आनी तुमी करून खातली. थँक्यू.
Goan Suran Bhaji is ready. Homegrown Suran Bhaji. Enjoy.